Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from credit card fraud with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you suspect you are a victim of credit card fraud with Bank of America, act quickly. The first step is to recognize the signs of fraudulent activity. Look for unfamiliar transactions on your account statement. Check for unfamiliar charges on your credit card statement regularly. If you notice any suspicious transactions, gather relevant details. Note down the dates, amounts, and merchant information of fraudulent charges. Next, contact Bank of America immediately. Call the customer service number on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts to reach the fraud department. When connected, explain your situation clearly. Provide the details of the fraudulent transactions you've identified. Bank of America will initiate an investigation into your claim. Ask about the temporary suspension of your card. This could prevent further fraudulent charges while the investigation is ongoing. Bank of America may also issue a new card to you. Inquire how long the investigation process usually takes. Document all conversations and details provided by the representative. After reporting fraud, monitor your accounts closely. Keep an eye on your new card and account for any further suspicious activity. Consider enrolling in fraud detection services. Bank of America offers alerts for unusual transactions. These alerts can help you act quickly in the future. Additionally, review your credit report regularly. You are entitled to a free credit report annually from each of the 3 credit bureaus. Check for any new accounts or inquiries that you did not initiate. If you find inaccuracies, dispute them with the credit bureau. Lastly, consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report. This can make it harder for fraudsters to open accounts in your name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.